morning, guys. So today is I don't know what's going on with my face, but whatever. Today is Monday. Yeah, Monday. And I'm getting ready to take the kids to the bus stop. They're all dressed and stuff. I'm kind of debating on whether or not I want to send Destiny to school because I just found a lice in her head. It was just one. And if you guys know, this is her third time that I'm finding headlice in her hair. And I am so frustrated because I know that she's getting reinfected at school, but at the same time, both times that I found it in her hair, I kept her home. I can't keep her home. I can't keep, keeping her home. So she has to go to school. When she comes back, I will do a treatment on her hair. And I have to call the school to let them know that I found another head lice in her hair. And I don't know what to do, guys. I really don't, because since her last outbreak, she's gotten treatments for it, and I used the Nyx. And I don't know if this is the super lice. They said there's a super head lice or something somewhere. But anyways, after that, I'm gonna get ready to go to. I'm gonna go to the gym, and I'm gonna go to the gym. Well, I'm going to the gym, but I have to walk.
I'm going to the gym?
Yes, Papa. I have to walk because.
Is Destiny going to the gym?
No, Destiny going to school.
No.
I have to walk because my husband still don't have his car, and my husband doesn't have his truck, and he has my car, so I'm getting ready. I'm putting my socks on. What time is it? 8:11. We leave here 8:17.
8:18.
17.
8:18.
Okay, what's 1 minute? So I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I'm gonna catch up with you guys later. It is nice outside. I think it's like 59 degrees. It's not bad. It's a little chilly, but it's supposed to be 72 tomorrow. It's supposed to be 72 tomorrow. But anyways, we're coming from the gym, and I did 30 minutes on the bike, 10 minutes on the it's not an elliptical. I think it works your glutes, quads, and calves. I did 10 minutes on that because I couldn't do anymore. That thing is really good, but I can do more than 10 minutes. Tomorrow I might push for 15, but yeah. I didn't do weights because I'm going back later with my husband to do weights. So I didn't go to the weight room. So yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna go in the house, and because I had 2 eggs for breakfast, and I'm gonna have some Greek yogurt with granola. And yeah, so, and I forgot my water bottle, so I have to go home and drink at least two tumbler. My tumbler. The colorful one I showed you guys. I don't know if I did. I have to go and drink that. But anyways, I gotta go. My arm is killing me. Bye. I'm so tired. I'm really tired. I'm really tired. I've been home now for like, I don't know, it's 12 o'clock. My body hurts. And this is not my bra. This is my sports bra, people. And like, but the kitchen is a mess. And it's 1 o'clock.
A physics prof named Lisa who just moved here from Miami. Professor? She asked timidly.
It's 1 o'clock, people. Whoa, what was I doing?
He said.
So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna make I'm gonna go make Jaxson and I lunch and start dinner. Why does Jaxson have all the TVs on? And I'll probably get some housework done. Even though today's not housework day. But I'll probably get some stuff done so that I don't have everything packed into the middle of the week. Oh, my chest hurts so bad. Anyways, I'll catch up with you guys after lunch. I made me some spinach, egg, turkey breast, cheese, whatever. So, I hate the smell of egg. I hate eggs, but it's the only way I can get my protein in. So, I'm gonna go eat this and watch Dr. Oz. Yeah, because my son is not watching TV right now, which is weird, but I'm gonna go watch some TV. Okay, it's homework time.
Wait, 10 minus blank equals 0. Cool. How much? Tell me how much minutes did I go?
Minutes?
Yes, I need minutes.
Okay, so what do you see in the deep blue sea? Solve the problems below. Try to get those facts fast. Okay, so I have to time you?
See, it's a blank minus blank sockets.
Okay. And then you do your total answer, incorrect answer. Is this a homework or is this...
Homework.
Homework? Okay. So do you have to actually solve any problems?
Yes, so.
Yeah.
No, just...
What's the 10, 0, and all of that?
10 minus 10 equals... No. 10 minus 0 equals 0? No.
10 minus 0?
10 minus...
Blank equals 0. Oh, okay. I see the problem. So 10 minus what gives you 0? Are you going to do the number lines for that? Or...
No, you can't solve.
You can't solve?
No.
Why?
Because it doesn't have no space to solve.
Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go finish her homework and then start dinner. I'll be back. Do your number line so everyone can see.
I'm coming. Minus 34. My number line.
Look at my baby. Be a pro. She's a pro at the number line. 79. Good job. 1.
Are you out of your mind? Look, if you're serious, right? You can seriously do this.
59. Good job. 49. Good job.
Riley, why are you for this? Because I want him to succeed. I want him to make his grandfather proud.
48.
You're not proud.
So 79 minus 31 equals
48.
48. Good job. And that, my friend, is how you guys do the number line. Yay.
You write it down. They write